Hi guys, this should be fucking offensive. Why are people gay? That's literally what a lot of people search in Google.
Why are people gay? I mean, like, I just don't get it.
You're not supposed to fucking get it. You weren't born that way. It's not like you'll say,
oh my god, I totally get it. I could just be gay if I wanted to. I could just magically create boners with my mind. I could do like a fucking mind trick on myself and make boners magically appear no matter what I'm looking at.
anyway, let's go and search it. What is this, a gay Lex Luthor? One of these guys doesn't like gay people. I think the problem is primarily a spiritual one. Where there is no Jesus, evil always reigns. Thank you for putting Jesus in another place which he does not belong. The only place he does belong is in the fucking past. Because Jesus was just a guy, just like you and me. Now if Chris Angel lived back then too. Yeah, you guys would be worshiping fucking Chris Angel. Ooh. I bet you hell is fabulous, especially if you're there good looking. Damn right, sweetheart. Ah, fuck, I love people like this, though I hate your heels. I fucking hate heels.
Scientists may have finally unlocked puzzle of why people are gay.
Because they were born with it, but go on.
A group of scientists suggested Tuesday that homosexuals get that trait from their opposite sex parents. A lesbian will almost always get their trait from their father. Blah, 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 blah.
Super. Shout out to Dick Cheney. It's your fault. 6 things straight people should stop saying about gay people. Fuck freedom of speech.
A kind woman who would never intentionally offend another person writes,
Hold on, before we read this. She doesn't intentionally offend other people. She's just a fucking idiot that doesn't realize how ignorant the shit that comes out of her mouth is. I got it.
I love gay people. I just cannot support their gay lifestyle.
Guess what? Bitch, you don't have to. Want to know why? Because that shit's none of your business anyway. So fuck you and fuck your opinions of their lifestyle. Because they're not fucking relevant.
A pastor stands holding an electric cord as a prop and warns the congregation, don't mess with God's original design.
I'm stopping you right there. God designed everything, you fuck. He even designed Satan from the toes up. Every ounce of evil in Satan came from God. God created everything. Everything! Say it with me.
Motherfucker, God created everything.
You mad there's homosexuals in the world? Blame God. He invented the shit. If he didn't put that in the code, it wouldn't fucking be there. Fuck yeah, Brad Pitt. I want to suck your dick. I would suck Brad Pitt's dick. Wait, if I'm willing to suck Brad Pitt's dick, oh my god, I think I might be slightly gay. Oh well. I feel better already. Anyway, long story short, if you have a problem with gay people, do the world a favor, find a cave, and stay in it. We don't need to hear your hate speech, okay? You can speak it all you want, but I'd prefer you do it alone in your cave.
Hell, censorship!
What the fuck ever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Now you know why people are gay.
Bruce, please.